I go on from the other side.
You want to see the car?
Let me see the car, man.
Look. Remember last time you down here, it was in some other condition.
Yeah, it was.
It's in a better condition than it was before.
Boy, don't be on. Look. Girl, look up under here. See, I know you don't know much about cars, but let's see if.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. See, I was going to say you don't know nothing about cars, but let's see if you appreciate what you see.
I know.
Let's see if it. Oh, what? Oh, what?
They even started up. That's all I was going to say. That. I didn't know it was like done enough for you to start it up.
So, it don't run. Look. That, I've been hearing that all day. Oh. He be hitting the starter too long.
I like it.
Running good, girl. Wait till you see it all done with the interior and stuff.
How do you do it?
Do what? Well, you don't need to know. You don't need to know.
That's definitely
That's it. Look, well, that made you say something, boy, when you looked up under that hood, see something, you got kind of impressed. That's all right.
Because the last time it wasn't like this.
It wasn't like that.
At all.
last time.
Well, that's been 2 months ago.
Yeah, it wasn't like this, but
No,
now
it wasn't 2 months ago.
Huh?
This was just spring break.
How long ago was that?
Spring break was
Like a
just
month
like
ago.
not even a month. Like
Girl,
weeks.
so that mean I can still move around and get some stuff done is what that mean. That mean I ain't lazy. That mean
three weeks.
I'm trying to get it done. No, it didn't. It wasn't like this 3 weeks ago.
No, it wasn't.
A month, however long it's been.
It's been
Yeah,
like
I just had a joke on him. I asked him was it gonna be done by no, I said like
like,
winter.
This is nice.
It's coming.
What
It's
you like
coming.
about
What you-
it?
He wants to know what's your favorite thing so far that you see.
Soon as she opened that hood, she said something.
Like, I like the whole.
She had to she took a quick step back. Like she didn't believe what was, you expected for it to be all rusty looking and.
Because it wasn't like this. Like none of this it wasn't even nothing. It was nothing.
It was all black and
Yeah, it was nothing. It was literally nothing. Like I was really surprised. For real. 'Cause,
I love you, sister.
man,
RJ said, I love you, sister. Because she rattling on. She don't know what she said.
So look at the interior.
I look.
You like it?
It ain't done.
Talking about the dashboard.
Yeah. I'm more impressed with this. Like, what?
That's all right.
That's what's up.
Well,
man.
here, let me show you. This is what the interior gonna look like.
That's
Let me see, where is it at? There it is. That's how my door panels and stuff gonna be. The interior is gonna be like that.
You keeping this car or you selling it?
Girl, I don't think girl
Y'all better be nice to Jametta to see which one of y'all gonna end up with
It's
him.
me.
Y'all better be nice to Jametta
I'm
because
already nice, so I don't care. Look.
I don't plan on selling them, but
I told Art, didn't
they're
I?
gonna end up with somebody. I don't, you know,
This is,
it's good. If I get them done, it's gonna be plenty to go around.
I know it is. You got
It's
a
gonna
lot
be-
of stuff going on over here.
There's plenty to go around. I just got to get them done in the next few years before I get too old, because I'm getting too old.
Man, if Trump is the president at 80, you got plenty of time.
So that means I'm going to be destroying a lot of stuff.
that'd be
you put your
Biden.
hand on, you gonna destroy it. No, but man,
RJ out there in the country,
I want to show Meech this. I do, cause he was
he
here.
seen it.
He was here. No, he didn't see this. I took a video.
You took a video when? Just now? He seen it though.
He didn't see this. No, he didn't.
I think this was like this.
No, it wasn't.
The engine was in here 3 weeks ago.
That this didn't look like this. I'm telling you.
Nah, it probably wasn't all of this wasn't.
None of this wasn't painted like this.
Okay.
Like, what?
Like,
You did good.
Well, hold on then. Go look, just if you can, bend down a little bit and look up under the back of it. Just look up under there.
Back here?
Since you're so impressed. If you can kneel down enough, just look up under there.
she said, "Oh man." He got the straps white.
Dad, this is gonna be a nice little car. Yeah.
Hey, look, she's starting to step like she ready to drive into the show.
All granddad's cars look good.
I'm gonna need more than one driver now. Cause Jametta gonna be pushing this while I'm on the side filming. When she go to the show, she'll be the one driving.
No, Dad, like, this gonna be nice.
Well, thank you. Well, you know, see, look up, all up in there. That's why Devon tell you look at the dash.
know,
Everything you see in there red, every other one you see gonna be black. So I painted even where the speedometer. I had to take my time and tape all of those little lines and the 1, the 0. I had to tape all of that off and painted it. So that's just detail to the max.
You hand painted it too.
Nah, I tried.
You tried.
My hand. I had to do it twice. I had to do it because my hand, when I was young, I could, but my hand was, and then I was watching Giannis. So I had like 10 minutes between each free throw, but my hand was just shaking. Cause I had enough time.
Cause now Giannis Hill.
Yeah, he take about 10 minutes to shoot a free throw.
Sometimes
So
they be giving them violations.
I did all of that dash work watching the Bucks for them to lose in the first round. My God.
Nah, Giannis said he getting up out of here after his contract.
He probably should. Probably should.
He got them 1 W.
His contract ends 2026. So.
Why you keep shaking your head?
He ain't going nowhere.
Giannis
ain't going nowhere.
After what happened, literally that last
Giannis
game
not
with
going nowhere,
his
man.
was
I
another
think
team's
he's gonna be our
father.
Kobe.
Our
He gonna be
Kobe.
our Kobe.
No,
He ain't gonna go nowhere.
no.
I don't think he will either. I
Definitely not
just
our
No,
Kobe.
because he's not gonna ever be able to go somewhere else like this, like Milwaukee, to be able to build his own team the way he want to build it. They building around Giannis. Everywhere else is building around they
Another
star
team.
players. Yeah, like so you got to think of like y'all got to think basketball, man.
But no, man, he's not gonna be our
Y'all don't
Kobe.
know basketball. Leave me alone.
He's not gonna be our Kobe.
girl, you keep looking in there. What you looking in there for?
I'm gonna have to talk to my mom. Yeah, she and I get this to nobody.
Huh?
Well, see if your mom.
Because I'm building her one just like this, but it's gonna be a convertible.
Oh, okay.
Hers is down the street in Scotty's lot down there. So, but hers is gonna be original.
Ma,
It's black. Gonna be black.
you already got a car. This baby mine.
So this baby mine.
Ma, you heard me? You already got a car. This baby mine.
You ain't even got a license. You got,
I'm
you got
close.
some time.
I'm close.
You ain't close because you still ain't did it.
Got 17 left.
Yeah, we'll finish it.
Finish.
Till then, we talking about a car.
All right, baby girl. I wanted you to come out and take a look at it, see what you thought. But
Dad, I love you. Huh?
you should have seen your baby girl almost reacted just like you.
For real? I should
Yeah.
throw the whole cake away.
You ain't got to get on me. You got to.
Thank you.
Yeah, God bless you all too.
Mom,
What you do wrong? What you do wrong?
Hey, Binky.
What you do wrong?
Dad took me outside
Binky.
to see his car. I said he raised the hood up, and I was surprised that he was so far along because the last time I was here,
It was on
it was on
Jack.
everything. So he was like, y'all gotta what you say?
I ain't said nothing.
You said
You
something.
know you can hit me up whenever.
Y'all better be nice to Jametta to see who get this car. I said, oh, I'm nice to her already. I said,
You
I'm a
ain't got
good
nothing
daughter.
to worry about. You ain't
I'm
got
a
nothing
good
to worry
daughter.
about. You ain't got nothing to worry
It's
about.
everybody else.
You ain't got nothing to worry about, girl. You ain't ain't got nothing to worry about.
It sound like I'm over there with the car.
It is. He turned on you real fast. Over a car. Over a car.
Man, y'all done seen that 70 Wildcat and y'all done went crazy today. What's going on?
Like, dang, you turned on your mama?
Come you was the main person outside bragging. Oh, I would definitely get this car. It don't sound like it.
I am the good daughter.
You am the good daughter.
Don't play with me.
It don't sound like it. No.
Your son.
No.
Sound like you don't want the
I don't think a good daughter. I don't think that.
That's crazy.
I don't think a good daughter will be going against your choices. I don't think a good daughter will be going against your decisions.
Girl, he need to be behind your back too.
Dirty. Dirty.
He
You play a dirty game.
He turned on you, girl.
That's a dirty game right there. You gotta go home with me. That's you gotta.
He turned on you, girl. I had to tell you.
Well, that 70 Wildcat boy,
Around here, Joy. We stick
he
together.
trying to
Your
get in
brother-
where he live.
Your brother done turned on your mom about that car.
Nana, just let me turn on me.
And enjoy the day.
Nana, Joy be turning on me.
Just like I said. Yeah, it's gonna be an issue, ain't it?
Mom, I told you, I'm not funny. I'm hilarious.
Because you still got 3 days to go to extra day, right?
You heard me,
You'll
Mama?
take, yeah. You turn real fast, but us women stick
Mama, you heard
together.
me?
Okay. Nope. I want it. Yep.
Mama, you heard me?
Got a piece for you? You want a piece?
Mama, I told you. I'm not
Thank
funny.
you. Look.
Mom, I'm not funny.
Talk to him.
I don't like it. Because he turned on you
Boy,
real
you know how
fast. Behind your
bad
back.
I've been talking about that car.
Behind your back. I was trying to figure out what he was doing. Then I finally heard him say,
Sound like you don't want that car. Like, I ain't even said nothing. I'm like, I'm over here.
when I said you
No,
talking
no,
back, he
you
came
said
over
something.
and said,
You said something. You said you agreeing with your dad.
and he came right past me and said, you sound like you.
That's crazy. I can't say nothing. I see what type of time you on, Devon. Now I gotta.
I need that car.
Hey, you better not do nothing. When I say not nothing in school, you better not. What? I'm calling. Every chance I get, anything you do. Because if I don't get the car, you definitely ain't gonna get the car.